Welcome to 2 Minute Solution Series. My name is Bhavna Chopra and I am your life re-imprinting coach. Do you know that most of the disease which we manifest in our body is either due to wrong breathing pattern or wrong thinking pattern? So for today, I'll be discussing the wrong breathing pattern, and maybe in some other video I will take up the wrong thinking pattern also. So most of the time when you will observe, we breathe only till here. So we breathe only till our chest. So this is the shallow breathing which we are doing. On the contrary, we need a lot of oxygen, and for that we have to do the deep breathing. And how do we have to do the deep breathing? So whenever you are breathing in through your nose, you should feel that the air which you are inhaling should go till down your diaphragm. You have to do the diaphragm breathing. It should go in your stomach. You can actually feel and see your stomach expanding. So you can keep your hand for initial period to see how does it go. When you keep your hand on your stomach, you will feel that your stomach is actually expanding. So when you are deep breathing, your stomach is expanding, and when you're exhaling, exhale from your mouth like this. When you're breathing in, deep breathe and exhale from your mouth. And when you're exhaling, you will see and you will feel that your stomach is going back to its original shape. This is how you do the deep breathing. And when we do the deep breathing, the more amount of oxygen is there, it mixes in your blood, and when it travels to the organs, internal organs of your body, it helps as a repairing system. They repair themselves, the cells repair themselves with the more oxygen. And in fact, your brain require a lot of oxygen, as if there is no oxygen, your brain is like this, but if it has oxygen, it is like this. So it is healthier when it gets more of oxygen. So the diaphragm breathing is very important for us, and for this you can do one more thing. When you're breathing in, you count up till 10 and then you hold till 10, and then when you breathe out from your mouth, breathe in from your nostril and breathe out from your mouth, and while you're breathing out, you should again count till 10, and if possible again hold before breathing in again. And you have to check your medical condition. If there is any medical condition, talk to your doctor before doing this practice. But for the normal people, you can just give a try with 3 counts, and you can gradually increase according to your health, and you will see the very good result when you are deep breathing, especially the diaphragm breathing. This was the tip for the day. See you tomorrow.